So we start off today's video with this lob haircut transformation. Wow, she looks absolutely stunning. Such a gorgeous and simple hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more long to short hair transformations. So next up we have someone with some blonde and black colored hair. Looks like she went in for a cut refresh and got more of like a mini bob style. She does have the longer pieces going, and that's playing into that anime hair trend that we've been seeing on TikTok. But I absolutely love the color and cut combination for that look. And next up we see someone with long waist length hair. And she decides to switch it up with this beautiful bob style, rocking out another shoulder length bob haircut. Beautiful. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, it looks like we are seeing another Pixie Bob style. Wow, absolutely stunning. She looks beautiful. I love this hair trend. Very nicely done. And then we move into the next transformation. Looks like she's also getting a nice pixie bob. She has so much volume within her hair. Beautiful bangs. Wow, absolutely breathtaking. So pretty. A lot of height going there in the crown. Next up, we see someone with mid-back length hair. Looks like she wants to get some layers put in. Really playing into that layered haircut trend that we're seeing this year. Wow, look how much volume she has. Absolutely incredible hair change. Very nicely done. So next up, we have someone getting an undercut. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. I love the drama behind this style. So much length on one side. Very nice. And then we have a curly hair transformation. Looks like she's getting more of like a curly pixie style. Very nice. This is also known as a tapered haircut. Very popular hair trend for curly hair. Beautiful. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.